great guy named Rife, and it's also in this book here, and nothing happened. He somehow designed a microscope that could see bacteria and viruses. I see you know about it. They showed up as different colors. And he didn't stop there. Then he applied sound, and you could literally see the cells die. So by applying a certain sound, you could literally kill tuberculosis, streptococcus, each bacteria. He had people writing letters in support, saying, wow, this is going to revolutionize the world. But guess what happened? It got banned by the FDA. It got killed, and he got harangued. This author actually has his microscope now, and I think it's in a safe place. It makes me think of, like, are you going to supply singing bowls or those tuning forks, or maybe just pipe organ in a church, and maybe it would actually be helpful, or maybe your own stereo.
Even
Music. I wanted to tell you how to connect with me on social media.
And on your videos, you have topics for the videos, so they can choose.
In fact, yeah, there's a video about plant spirit medicine, which is using the plants in the shamanistic way.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.